Hey everyone, this is Yashoma again, and welcome to the Learning Filecoin and Web3 with me. So today is day 4, and it's been a while since I have pushed some new videos around it. So let's just go and straightforward create some really exciting thing, exciting DApp if I say, because it's going to full-fledged app which you can deploy to the Vercel, and where you are going to interact with your token that you have deployed on the smart contract. If you are with me since day 1 or day 2, you have watched my videos, you may know how we have developed the whole smart contract, how we have deployed to the Filecoin network, how we have actually kind of created some events around it and log that as well in the backend, right? So it's going to be using all kind of knowledge that we have gained through these two videos. So we are going to use our own skills, right? Today is the day for to show that world how things are going and how we can actually show this whole DApp, right? So let's just go dive right into it. And okay, so I have created Notion doc for this. Let's just yeah, let's just go and read it. Okay, so again, the main motive is to create a DApp if we can interact, okay, with our own token contract and that we're deployed. And to make things faster, we are going to use the Filecoin Builders repo, one of the primary kit to actually follow this tutorial. Okay, so yeah, this is the repo Filecoin starter kit, and we're going to clone it. So let's just open our terminal and create some day, right? Create a new day, day 4. Maybe let me just day 4. Sorry, things are happening. CD day 4 and great. Okay, so let's just clone it. Okay, done. CD FVM, let's go right into it. Let's see the whole thing, okay, what it needed. Okay, so we just need to install the dependencies. Let's just install the dependencies. Great. And we need to run it if you want to. Okay, let's just take this things. Okay, how are we going to do it? Clone the repo, enter the project, install dependencies. Done. Okay, let's try to open it in our VS Code. Okay, day 4, starter kit, VS Code. Okay, great. So looks good. Looks nice. Getting started, installing all the readmes here. Okay, great. Let's try to understand the whole folder structure. Styles, public, components we have app. Okay, and we have file frames, index, layout. Okay, we'll try to go more into it and try to learn more about the whole code structure. But let's just first let's just first try to run it. Okay, yeah, so we just need to understand what things we have already. Okay, so npm run dev must be starting. Okay, great, started. How things are going. Let me also disconnect all my wallets, so it should not load anything up. Okay, no, nothing happening. Yeah, it's opening up. Okay, great. This is really cool, right? Across the Filecoin shares with us, launch app. We have Twitter, we have Discord, we have launch app. What if I click on launch app? Okay, that's good. Login with the blockchain wallet. What if I just click on? Okay, we just switch to a login. Okay, great. Connecting wallet. Okay, it's working. So this, what is this? If you know, this is a RainbowKit wallet, and it's also pre-configured with this repo. Great. If I try to connect my wallet, count 1, confirm, switching to a network. Great, it's logged in. I suppose clicking on launch app, doing nothing. Okay, great. So we need to do, okay, token balance, file balance. Great. So it's going to a defy page where it's trying to show the token balance and the Filecoin balance. And we are going to interact with our smart contract. Great. So let's just try to understand the whole structure. Okay, let's just try to go with the package.json, what it is. So as the primary dependencies, this is RainbowKit and TensorQuery. So if you never heard about RainbowKit, this is your lucky day in a Web3. So RainbowKit is basically great, one of the awesome libraries to actually let your wallet connected to your app, to your DApp, and it has so many features, right? So in my blockchain journey, I have used this in I think most of my apps, and you should also like try to discover more about what's actually RainbowKit and how we can connect to a wallet, right? So right now it's already been initialized here in our app. So if you want to like learn more about it, just go to rainbowkit.com and try to initialize it. Try to get things, try to tinker it and create like a new Next.js app and try to initialize it your way. Okay. So yeah, you can follow the in this changes and all the installation guidelines. It's fairly straightforward. If you have a newer app, you can just do it. This is manual setup. If you have existing setup, existing Next.js app or React app. Okay, that sounds cool. We just need to wrap this up as well. It's already been here in our app. Okay, let's just try to see other libraries as well. Okay, TensorQuery we have its primary dependency of the RainbowKit. Ethers, it's allowing us to connect our app to the smart contract and allowing us to like make some transition, do more like read call or write calls to the blockchain. So it's really amazing library. All the others are mostly React dependencies. Pretty is different thing. Okay, again we have Wagmi. So Wagmi is a really cool library. It's also one of the dependency of RainbowKit. Okay, so if you go to the Wagmi and try to search things, so it's like one of the best library to actually give you a lot of access to the blockchain related core functionalities. So anything which is on your Ethereum, anything which is needed some kind of connection to the blockchain, and you need some kind of hooks, some kind of wallet, connect wallet status. Connect wallet is also the same things that RainbowKit gives. But yeah, RainbowKit use this Wagmi itself, so we don't want to do it. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and it has so much of things. But yeah, we're not going to go dive into Wagmi.sh since it's a lot. But yeah, anyway, this is the dependencies of the product, this whole DApp. Uh, its Tailwind is also configured, the TypeScript is configured. Great. Let's try to learn more about the app. So this is a Next.js app, okay? So since we have been redirected to the login page, it must have gone through this particular thing, okay? So if you go to the app again and like go and click on the launch app, so this slash login is basically the how Next.js works. So routing feature of Next.js in a directory. So that allows us to like render this particular thing, and if I change anything here, uh, it should be updated here, right? So launch tab new. Okay, it goes. Okay, okay, this is weird. Um, Nothing happened. So it's a launch tab, great. And what if I try to? Okay, it's basically in the new wallet. Okay, great. Log in with the blockchain wallet. Let me just try to see how things are there. So okay, and okay, I made changes here, and I should be going to this login. Okay, great. So yeah, we can do things here like new app and make some changes in the wallet. We can change some CSS as well. So whole TypeScript also configured, which is great. Okay, let's try to uh, do things. Okay, because it's a whole good app and it's already been set up. Let's try to make it workable, right? Because everything has been set up. Why don't we just use it? So let's just go with the Notion docs, okay? we have explored the code, create us pre-configured templates, built with Next.js, style using TailwindCSS. Our main focus will be only two folders, app and public. So app, we have seen some of the core directories, defi, dummy page, login. So anything which goes to slash defi is running this, slash dummy is running this, slash login is running this, okay? And this is a layout that is going to wrap up our whole app, and anything that is coming, anything on root layout is needed to be wrapped through this. So the layout is the front page of the next page. Okay, great. So what should we do now? Okay, um, let's just try to understand the public file as follows. Okay, the public folder contains some assets, some icons, some fpm, hardhead, create, okay, new icons and all. And this will be used for main website. Great. Meanwhile, the app folder holds the code of various components make up the core functionality of the application. We have also understood it. Okay. So the wallet connection is not really working. So let's just try to add things. So let's just go to the app, and I could see there's a component here, file frame, connect. Okay, great. So okay, we have counter address. Okay, let me also like try to see the env file. So where's the env? Okay, so we have next public wallet here, and doesn't have anything. Okay, so we are going to add some project id. Okay, currently right now, let me go to the here itself. So it's just asking us to add any env, and so let's just go to it and sign up, create a project. So I've already like signed up. I already have an account, and I'm just going to copy my project ID. I'm just going to paste it here. So you must be thinking what this is, right? So Wallet Connect is actually allowing you to it's just going to allow you to make a connection with the blockchain, right? So yeah, I think it's mostly that, and you should also like try to follow this. Just go to this particular uh, wallet connect url, sign up and create a project. And once you created a project, it will give you this project id. Copy this and save it here, right? So yeah, or you can use mine as well. It's not a big deal. Okay, great. So then we have already been set up everything, and what we need to do is yeah, we have learned about wallet and feature, the RainbowKit. We have learned about routing, how things works. It's basically like a folder structure. So anything which is in certain folder, it's going to render that particular component. Okay, so our main object is to just get the contract data and let it run. Okay, so what we're going to do, going to a page. So we have seen this. It's going to slash defi. It's trying to run the token balance and the file balance. Okay, and we are going to give us. We have to give a contract so that it can read it. Okay, so let's just go to the slash defi. Okay, so slash defi has this certain imports from RainbowKit and Wagmi. Great, and it's trying to get the uh, contract. It's trying to like run this file, use account, and okay, we have contract integration which is trying to run it. Okay, great. So do we have the account? Okay, how it's getting the account? So it's getting the account from the use account folder, and all these are like imported from the Wagmi. So use account, use balance, both are read-only files. So I think it's allowing us to read the account details and balance. Great. Let's open the contract integration file. I think this is the core structure of our app, contract integration.tsx. So we have some contract props, like some interface, account and balances. We have done it. It's like the interface. We are creating like a another component, contract integrations. We have use read contract, great. And use read contract is basically one of the core functionalities of Wagmi. So if you go to the Wagmi file and just try to search use read contract, you will see that it's just allowing us to read a lot of things. You just pass the address, right? You are going to pass the function name. So function is like what your contract supposed to. So suppose it could be like so many things. So it could be balance, it could be token supply. In this case, it could be name of the token. And I think that's what we're using here. We're trying to get the balance of our contract. We're going to get the name, we're going to get the decimals, and all of these are using the use read contract method. Okay, great. And if I hover on it, it's saying it's a read only method. So in blockchain, what happens is the read only method, such as, let me also, yeah, I think that's a good view. So what I mean, like read only method is basically uh, methods which are not going to give you any like transaction. Okay, you're not going to do some transaction on the blockchain. You're just going to read the data from the data smart contracts, right, which have already been deployed. So read only, that means. There's also write only. So write only is basically opposite, where you may have to make some transaction, where you have to uh, spend some tokens, spend some gas fees on that particular function call which you're going to make. So that's how read only and write only works. Great. And let's try to learn more about it. Can we get the contract address? Okay, the contract address is contract details. Great. If I go in the contract details, I can see there's already a contract address here. Okay, great. Should we, yeah, let's just add our contract address. So this is not mine. It must be someone else. So I have to add the contract address of that particular user. Great. So let's do it. And let's go to MetaMask, and I'm just going to get my tokens which I have deployed. And I could see there's a account one. Okay, I have to go to my test networks. Great. This is a token that we deployed. Copying this address, pasting it. Great. And the contract API must be different because this is not mine. So it was like pre-configured, so I have to add mine as well. The function are mostly same. If I let it be, I think it will still work. But suppose it's not work, you should basically paste your contract API as well. Okay. And we have actually discussed about contract API, how this is really important to actually communicate with a blockchain smart contract on the Filecoin network. So as you can see, there are so many things like type of address, balance, right? There should be somewhere like name of the contract. So many things are here. So it's really important for us to do it. So since I have added my smart contract, and since I have added the env, let me also just make it's a sample file. I have to copy paste. I need to actually make it the official env file. .env, great. And now it should be working. So I think the contract integration file has my contract API, contract address. Let's also like replace the contract API which we have deployed back in D2, right? So let's just replace this as well. So I have already opened my FEM hardware kit, the one where I deployed the smart contract, and I have this .json file inside this meme coin directory. So you can see this remix.sold, and this .json file which is the API, and inside here we have this object. So I'm just going to copy it, and I'm just going to remove it, this whole array, and I'm going to paste it here. And great, so now it's being updated, my contract address as well, and I'm just going to restart my server. So npm run dev. Great, awesome. So I hope that because our app has a contract address, the contract API is also there, and I can see the contract integration, I can see the I can see the, okay, let me just also go to the other files. Okay, it should be working. So let me just try to like console log it. Okay, console.log, and let's add theta token name decimals balance anything. Also make it an object. So, and yeah, this is the one that we have. Great. Going to was 3000. It's opening up. You have to, it's compiling. Next is compiling, takes some time initial when you run this dev server. Okay, great. Let me also disconnect everything again, right? Because I don't want to uh, do things. I just like to do things from scratch. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good point to learn more about anything, right? Do things from scratch itself. Try to learn things on your own. Hey, again, launch DApp. Wait, it's going to redirect it to a login slash. Okay, connect to a wallet. So this is the RainbowKit, right? And RainbowKit has this dialog. We can connect to anything that we have. MetaMask, free wallet. I love MetaMask. Mostly I do it. Mostly I sign up with this one. Next, confirm. Awesome. And launch my app. Clicking on it. Okay. So token balance is null, file balance is null, and zero file. Weird. Let me go to the file compilation desktop. Oh, I think great. So since we have not like switched to a Filecoin network, that's why it's not been done. But as you can see, it's showing me the file balance, which is working. Token balance is not working. Why this is NAND? Why it's able to show me this? Let me also try to disconnect again and try it again. Okay. Login, connect wallet, MetaMask. Some kind of issue with the token balance is not available. Why? Okay, let's just try to debug this. Okay, so yeah, we have the content details. We have added the content ABI. We have the .env file, which is okay. Anything should be working, and this is our app. It's, there must be some issue with the, should I like connect again, like copy my content address and try to do it again? Will it work? Oh, it's the same one. Nothing wrong with this one. So what's happening? That's weird. Okay, let's try to maybe try to run it again. And let's also try to remove it again. Just try to do it again. Hi. So what really happened is basically some weird bug is happening. So when I'm going to like try, whenever I'm trying to copy this particular token address, it's not copying the address. It was doing like, was just giving me like a whole address. So very weird. I just restarted my laptop, and now if I just copy it and paste it somewhere, as you can see, it's actually giving us the right value. Yeah, and so this is what we need. And I'm just going to replace this one with our own contract address. And yeah, and I think, and also we can also do the get the ABI as well. And okay, let me paste my ABI. So something like this happen, you just need to like uh, clear your maybe just reset your MetaMask account, or maybe just restart your laptop. That's what I have gone through, right? So we have literally like fixed one of the bug that we came across. But yeah, I think it's not going to be like it's not going to happen on any of mine. I guess um, it's not usual. Great. So yeah, let me just try to run our server and try to start this one again. Okay, so launch the DApp, launch the app. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Finally, at least we have the token balance and the Filecoin balance that we have. So this is how much we have the token amount, and this is the amount of Filecoin tokens that we have. Okay, so you can see this token balance and reflecting here as well. So I guess that was it, right? And we have literally, let me just try to like disconnect again and show it again. Okay, so you go to the launch app section, you connect your wallet. So this is your how RainbowKit wallet it's gonna appear. You have to click on your MetaMask. You sign up with your account. You change your network if it's in something else. You click on the launch app. You see this token balance and the Filecoin balance, right? So as you can see right now, you can deploy it, and it's also working state. So we are going to deploy it anyway, right? I think in next chapter maybe. Should we deploy it right now? I'm not sure. Let's deploy it right now. Okay, Vercel. Let's create like a new Vercel app. So let me create my new project. So it's going to be. Let me also like push this to the my GitHub. Okay. So yeah, let's just do it. Um, so let's go. Let's go. I think the whole changes is just we have added the AD file. We have done something in this file, added our own file on server. Sorry, on wallet and project ID. The package log JSON patch or TSS. We haven't done anything here. We're just trying to like tinker around and learn about it. Nothing really, uh, nothing really important. All the details are in like content and content integration. So content integration is like the one of the uh, important part. Also, we should now like run this. Let me also delete the console logs that we have. So deleting, great. And let me just push everything. Okay, stereo changes. Yeah, interacting with my token. So let me just add this. So feed comment, seeing the changes, feed a fork. Yeah, that's going to do it. So I think it has my comment, great. So in my, yeah, let me just import it, right? Front end starter kit. Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one. Import it. And next is the root directory we have going to deploy it. I think it's all good, right? Just let's just deploy, okay? So we have to wait here. We can't do anything about it. And yeah, sorry. Yeah, this took a lot of time, right? It was very straightforward, but I think we have covered a lot of good concepts around how things work and how this repo is really a good source of starting point, right, for new file builders. Great. Interesting. So deployment is starting, and I hope I have added all the required details, right? I think so. We will be needing to set up one of the ENV. Yeah, let's just wait for it. Awesome. Great. Great. We have just deployed our own app. Awesome. Should I go to the? Okay, let me just see how it is. Okay. Uh, Visit. Awesome. Cross the Filecoin cheese with us. Launch tab. Right. We just needed to add our ENV, so it won't work, right? Because the ENV is not there. So how do we do it? Let's just go to the. Uh, how do we do it? Continue dashboard. It's not allowing. Build time, runtime, usage. Don't need to go usage. We just need to go to the settings. Yeah, this is the env that I was talking about. Great. What is the env of a file? I think it's here. Next public wallet connect, and yeah, sorry, paste this one. I think this was good. Save. Okay, we have added it. So let me just try if it's working or not. Okay. So if I go to the launch tab and if I go to the connect my wallet, Brave is like the whole RainbowKit is working. Awesome. Next, confirm. Launch tab. Oh man, yeah. Okay, congrats. So we have finally deployed our own app, own DApp. Okay, and it's basically showing the token balance. It's showing the uh, Filecoin balance that we have connected, and you just make sure you are in the same network, right? Just make sure you're in the calibration network of the Filecoin. Only then will work. And yeah, you can disconnect and you can just do more things about it, right? You can maybe show all the transition, right? You can just maybe do some send transition or like receive transition for this particular token contract, and you can just do a lot of things, right? Whoever owns this contract just show their user address. So there are so many things around this particular DApp, and we can actually build a lot of features on top of this. But this was it, and it took a lot of time. So yeah, I'm gonna share this on, and yeah, you can just try it on your own as well. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching. Day 4. Yeah, signing out. Great. Thank you.